Hi, I'm Cory Weatherton with the Jayco Motorhome Division. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to check out the new 2021 Jayco Redhawk 26M floor plan. This is a brand new floor plan for us. We are totally excited about this floor plan. It is absolutely incredible. Let's do a walk around of this. I'll show you the outside, then we'll go inside and check out some of the cool features of the interior. All right, as we're outside of this 26M Redhawk, I want to point out some key features. First of all, your one-piece fiberglass front cap, absolutely incredible. That is a big deal. It keeps water out of the inside of your motorhome. Every other manufacturer, they have a horizontal seam that runs where your bunk platform meets your sidewall. That horizontal seam does open up with time and causes water infiltration. Jayco, we've prevented that with that one-piece fiberglass front cap. 2+3 warranty, big deal right there. Everybody else in the industry is going to be a 1-year limited warranty. We double it, give you 2 years because we're confident in the build quality of our motorhomes, and we also give you a 3-year structural warranty. Look at this huge outdoor kitchen on this 26M Redhawk, new for 2021. We give you a grill, we give you a refrigerator, we have a drawer there, a slide drawer. With that, we give you that simply because we know that as you're tailgating, you're gonna wanna be outside, not inside. We know that as you're cooking your fish, as you're cooking your bacon, you don't want the smell inside, so we're allowing you to bring that smell on the outside. That's awesome. A lot of folks want that. We give you that. Also, if that's griddle's not big enough, we also give you a quick connect down there for your LP so that you're able to hook up your exterior grill. Coming around the backside, you have your rear backup camera. Look at that slide right there. First thing I want to point out is with a Redhawk, you get slide toppers standard. Those aren't options, those are standard. What you're going to find with Jayco is that we give you more standards and fewer options because we know that your investment is a big deal, so we want to make everything standard because that's the right thing to do. We've got a storage area up there behind your dinette. We could have just molded fiberglass over that, not giving you that, but what's the number one thing that people complain about on motorhomes? Storage. So we give you storage wherever we can. 4,000 watt Onan generator up front is plumbed to your chassis, so as you fill your chassis with fuel, you're actually filling your generator as well. Coming back, we've got exterior storage underneath. Great motorhome. We're excited about this 26M Redhawk. Let's go inside and check out the awesome interior. Okay, we are inside the 2021 Jayco Redhawk 26M. What do we see there? We see modern farmhouse. This is new for 2021 for Jayco. The modern farmhouse was in Greyhawks in 2020. It was so successful that we thought, let's add it to the Redhawk lineup. So we got modern farmhouse. Absolutely beautiful floor plan as we look at it. You've got your 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. You have a massive 50-inch television across from your sofa here. You have a huge fireplace down below that you can turn on just for the lights, or you can produce supplemental heat for this motorhome. That is awesome. We have the Furrion all-in-one cooktop. We've got a convection microwave if you choose to use that instead. Storage above your kitchen, storage drawers below galore, and then our front overhead bunk rated at 750 pounds. Everybody else in the industry is in the 450 or under range for the most part. We give you 750 pounds there. Again, our engineers are overdoing it. Why? Because we give you the 2-year warranty. We do what's right. Massive U-shaped dinette. That U-shaped dinette is the largest that we build. Drop down, the kids can sleep there if they choose, or in your front overhead bunk. And as you look, we don't have a bed. We struck out on that. No, folks, we didn't. Coming on back here, we see this little key, this little up and down button. This is a Murphy bed floor plan. Absolutely incredible at this price point. Nobody else in the industry is doing it. We've got drawers underneath our sofa and awesome storage down there. You can store your bedding down here if you'd like. You can store pillows down there. You can store your board games down there if you choose. Coming around here, we've got a little pantry area that you could put pantry things in, you could put clothes in, do anything you want. Drawers down below, full drawers, and microwave components. Coming up here, we've got our wardrobe area. Let's show you what this Murphy bed looks like. It is cool. It's a powered Murphy bed. It's not manual, so it's going to be very easy for you, the customer. Okay, so I just took the cushions off. Come over here, turn the key to on, push the down button, and watch the magic take place. Fully walk around. We can get in and out of here with ease. Bed's down in the middle of the night and Junior hops down off the bunk and has to use the bathroom. Very wide walkway to get back to your bathroom facilities. Very spacious inside of here. Number one complaint in motorhomes is what? Like I said, lack of storage, but then also small bathroom. Inside of this, we give you a lot of storage. A large shower with a skylight up above. You can see the beautiful, not plastic, but beautiful metal shower components that we give you. Isn't that awesome? Then, when it's time for you to put the bed up, simply remove your pillows, come over here, push the up button, and we'll watch the magic take place. Put our seat cushions back. Put our seat cushions back and we are ready to go for the day. 2021 Jayco Redhawk. Absolutely beautiful 26M floor plan. Sony head unit up front, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Everything that you need for this motorhome to have. Again, I'm Cory Weatherton with the Jayco Motorhome Division. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to check out the all-new 2021 Jayco Redhawk 26M in the beautiful modern farmhouse. If you have any questions, contact Pete's RV. They'd be glad to answer those questions for you and help you find the right motorhome that's for you.